Hi, my name is Chris, and for the past few months I've been investing my own money into stocks using an app, Trading 212. You know, I had some money on the side and I decided why should it sit in the bank? Why not go work for me? And I've invested in a few stocks, but I did some mistakes and I want to share them with you guys because maybe some of you will benefit from hearing what I've done. So the biggest mistakes I did them. So in this video I want to talk about my first two stocks that I bought and the big mistake that I've done there then. And so maybe someone can benefit from that. So let's go just into it, and I'm gonna show you. Here is my Trading 212 account, and my first two stocks that I bought were Tesla and Shopify. So I've transferred $2,200 in my account, and I decided to buy Shopify because Shopify is one of my favorite stocks there, because I work with Shopify and I know the power of Shopify. I'm a Shopify developer and an e-commerce consultant. So I love Shopify. Shopify is a good stock, but you don't buy stocks based on your likings so much. I mean, I should buy Shopify because I love it, but I should buy it wary that it can be volatile. And so I bought 2 shares of Tesla and 1 share of Shopify. Shopify was more expensive. It was something $1,070 or something like that when I bought my share, and Tesla was 420, and it was somewhere around here. And so I bought Tesla somewhere here. And what do you think? I decided that Tesla is too volatile for me because I had no idea. I never researched it, or I didn't know what I'm doing. And so I bought it somewhere at 420. So today it's like 500, almost 600, you know. I bought it somewhere around here, and I decided it is too volatile for me. So what did I do? I sold it and bought Shopify, more Shopify. And I've been buying Shopify until somewhere around here, where it was 1080 almost, something like that. And what happened after that? So my portfolio, imagine that, my portfolio was one stock worth $2,200. That was the entire money. And what happened after that? It fell, but it fell really low. So it fell somewhere around 916 or something like that. And this happened because of the announcement of the vaccine, because people have in their minds that this stock is a stay-at-home stock. I don't see it that way, but people somehow think that Shopify is a stay-at-home stock. Anyways, it fell here because of the vaccine news, and then it rise again. And here they had announced their earnings, and then it fell again. Another lesson that I've learned: don't buy stocks near an earnings. Only if you have some inside news that or information that something extraordinary will happen, even if they beat their earnings expectations, sometimes it still fails. So if you want an opportunity to buy a stock, wait until the earnings are over. Sometimes it fails before earnings as well, but this is another discussion. So I bought my Shopify here. So I had only one stock of $2,200 invested in here, and I was minus 400, almost 500 here. Imagine that, first experience with trading, first fail, minus $400-500 of my own money, and not knowing if and when I will be able to recover. And so I made that rule for myself. In the meantime, I still bought on Trading 212 because this happened on Revolut. I bought it on Revolut because this was the first app I tried out. It's another topic that I'm gonna discuss on another video. So Revolut didn't do it for me. And I bought some other stocks on Trading 212, And I waited for this stock to come back, and I waited and I waited, and 2 days ago finally it got back to the original level and a little bit over. So I made a profit of $20, I think, over my money, and I sold it all. But I didn't sell it because I don't believe in Shopify. I sold it because I want to move my portfolio completely on trading 2-on-2 because it's much easier and nicer to work with. So now I sold it, and I'm waiting for the money to clear so I can transfer it to trading 2-on-2, and hopefully in a few days I can buy a new stock. And yeah, there are a lot of opportunities now in the market, and I want to talk about one of them. So one of them is Palantir, which dropped to 25, I think. It's a good opportunity because this company is really, really nice, and for the future it really doesn't have any competition, and it's a company that works with the governments, and they are really I'm really bullish on this stock. So I'm gonna go shopping the next days while when the money from Revolut is clearing, and yeah, maybe I can do some good tradings and I can make some profit. Because I had a few stocks that drop. You know, the news with China made a lot of China now has to regulate their businesses in a way that investors from the US can be a little bit protected, and I don't know if they will do that. And that news that Chinese stock may be unlisted from the market really made some stocks like NIO drop, like Alibaba and everything dropped from China the past days, and I'm down a few percents. But hopefully today I'm gonna gain it back, and I wait for the bell to show me that. So yeah, that was the story of my first two stocks that I bought, and the mistake that I've done. So never have one or two or three stocks in your portfolio. Have 10 more 20 stocks in your portfolio, because when your portfolio is diverse, you can ride these waves much better, because when one drops, the other one is rising and it's compensating, and you can be more calm. But yeah, if you do a mistake like that, you can just wait until the stock will go back. Hopefully it will, depending on the company, and you will get your money back. But learn from that. So you can learn from my experience. That's why I'm here. I want to share my experience trading. And yeah, if you like this kind of videos, please like, subscribe, and yeah, talk to you next time. Happy trading.